Well, if you find yourself making frequent trips to the chiropractor or undergoing constant physical therapy, Beacon Orthopaedics and Sports Medicine has a different treatment for you to keep in mind. It's called regenerative medicine, and we spoke with Dr. Stiene about how Beacon be a viable option to treat common orthopedic conditions and injuries.
Regenerative medicine is an emerging field in the area of orthopedics where we use the body's own healing agents to get tissues that otherwise would not heal on their own to heal up and function normally. We're talking about muscles, tendons, ligaments, as well as osteoarthritis of the major joints in the body.
We have patients that come to see us for different tendon injuries, joint injuries, or muscle injuries. And depending on the extent of the injury, Dr. Stiene determines what treatment option is best for you. And it varies from PRP, which is platelet-rich plasma, all the way up to using your body's own stem cells that we take from your bone marrow. PRP is most beneficial for people who have chronic tendon problems, tendon tears, things of that nature. Sometimes they're used in acute muscle injuries when the tendon is involved. Those are typically our athletes, all the way up to people who have osteoarthritis who are wanting to avoid joint replacement. What makes us special and a little bit different than some other places is that we don't just ask you to walk in the door right off the bat. A lot of patients travel from pretty far away to come see us, not just in the tri-state. We see patients regionally, and we have seen patients all the way from Hawaii. We ask those patients to send in their records ahead of time. They'll call the office and speak directly with one of Dr. Steine's staff. We sit and talk with you for an extended period of time. It could be 30 minutes, 45 minutes. We want to take the time to let you understand exactly what our procedures can do for you. And then also, if you are someone that is interested, we ask that you submit everything, your records, your operative reports and images, MRI reports, etc., ahead of time. Dr. Stiene reviews those for free. If you are a candidate, then we ask that you come in for basically to be evaluated with Dr. Stiene. And if you're someone who is very far away, we actually will do a phone consult for those patients.
Here at Beacon, I've been doing these procedures now for 12 years. Any patient here at Beacon that gets a Regenexx procedure becomes part of a patient registry, meaning that we track the outcomes of every patient that gets these treatments, not only here at Beacon Orthopaedics, but across the country as a whole. It's very important to track outcomes, especially in a procedure that's not been around for 10 to 15 years. The reason being is we have to learn what works and what doesn't work. So in general, we are still learning daily about the potential use of these treatments, and so far, in the right patients, the treatments have been very good.
And if you want to learn more about Regenexx at Beacon Orthopaedics, give them a call at 513-389-3641 or learn more online at beaconortho.com/Regenexx.